Hey everybody, the diverter on my shower was bad. It was squirting out water and it didn't work. So I got some of these tools here. Got some caulk adhesive, got some needle nose, vice grips. This little tool here, I forget what it's called. It's for plumbers, so you can reach in at an angle and undo a nut with a washer or something. And channel locks. Take the screws out of the handle, the back plate, took that off. And there's a diverter right there. It doesn't, you can screw that out. You don't need a plumber for that. You can just screw that out. I bought a new one at Lowe's. Unscrewed the existing one that was leaking. Water was squirting right out, shooting right into the shower. That little black piece in there was the leftover from the diverter. Took the needle nose, pulled that out. You may not have to do that, but you carefully screw the new diverter in. Before you do this, turn off all the water to the house. I went to the road and did that before. So you're going to screw the new one in. That's where the water was shooting out from right there. So I turned the water back on to the house. I'm going to test it now. No water shooting out. Push it in. Shower. The water should come out of the shower now because you've diverted it away. That was it. I put everything back together. I caulked around it. So far, so good. Thanks for watching. Be blessed.